Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create a tree using the free add-on called Mtree. It allows to create trees quickly and easily using a node-based setup, so let's start. First of all, to download the add-on, I have provided the link for it in the description below. Visit the web page and scroll down to installation link. Click the latest release link. From here, you can download the Windows version or any other depending on your operating system. Make sure you are using Blender 3.0. To install the add-on in Blender, in Edit menu, go to Preferences and in Add-on section, click Install and locate the file you have just downloaded. Enable the modular tree add-on and close this window. Now we are back to main view. I am going to split the viewport so we can see our tree model on one side and the tree nodes on the other side. In the left window, open the editor menu. You will see a new editor called Mtree. Click to view it. Here we will set up the nodes of our tree. First, we will create a new node. I am going to rename the node to Mtree. Press Shift A and you will see a set of nodes that we can use for creating trees. We will start with the first node, that is the tree measure node. In this node, we have 4 settings. Click the item selection box. From here, select the cube. It can be any other object on which you want the tree to be created. The generate button will not be active yet. Next, we are going to add a trunk node. This node also have a collection of settings which will allow us to make changes to the tree trunk. Connect the tree point from the measure node to the tree point of the trunk node and click the generate button as it will become active now. The cube will be replaced with a tree trunk. In the trunk node, start changing the values to see the result, how you control the length, radius and other features of the trunk shape. Next step is to add branches to the tree trunk. For this, we will add a branches node. This node also has got many settings which we can use to make changes to our tree branches. Connect the tree point of the trunk node to the branches node tree point and click the generate button again to update the tree. You will see branches have been generated on the tree trunk. Now changing the values in the branches node, we can start setting up the tree branches as we like. We can control almost all parts of the branches and the tree will get updated in the viewport. The trunk values can also be changed. The branches will auto-adjust themselves over the trunk area. Make any design that you like. To add leaves to our tree, in the measure node, click Add Leaves button. You will see leaves have been generated over the branches. Along with it, a twig object is created also which has the leaves in it. I'm going to move it to the side and zoom in to see how it has been made. If you want, you can make changes by going into edit mode. To change the settings of the leaves, we will go to the modifier tab. Here we can see a leaves geometry node setup. Start changing the values for the different settings and see how they affect the tree result. Any changes in the trunk or branches node will auto-adjust the leaves over them. If we switch to material preview, you can see the leaves have a texture applied to them. For the trunk, the material may not be visible. You can either create your own material for it or just select the twin bark material in the material panel. You can check the result in different HDR settings as well. Keep making changes as you need. To control the resolution of any part of the tree mesh, you can further optimize it by changing the resolution values. For instance, here I am changing the trunk value to 12. You can also go in edit mode and make final adjustments to the base mesh. Using this add-on, you can easily create any type of trees with customized looks. And this completes the tutorial. If you want to see more videos in the future, then please give this video a like and subscribe. Turn on notification bell also. As always, thank you very much for viewing and I will see you in the next one.